Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete account on Outlook. First of all, you can open the Outlook mobile application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on settings at very last. Now you can just simply scroll down. Now you can tap on accounts in the general section, and after this you can just simply tap on your account, and here you can just simply scroll down. You will see the option at very last, that is how do I close my account. Tap on it, and after a few seconds of loading you can just simply see this type of page. Now you can tap on close account, and after follow the further process, the account will be deleted on Outlook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Code questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.